In this video, you'll learn how to export a file in LibreOffice. Whether you're working on a spreadsheet, a presentation, or a text document, exporting your file correctly ensures that it can be shared and accessed by others who may not be using LibreOffice. Let's dive in and make sure you have the skills to do this efficiently. First things first, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, LibreOffice is a free and open source office suite that's a great alternative to other office software. It includes apps for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Once you have LibreOffice up and running, you should see a welcome screen or dashboard that displays your recent documents. Next, from this dashboard, you'll want to select the file you recently worked on. If it's not immediately visible, you can use the Open option to browse your folders and locate the specific document you need. Once you've found the document, simply click on it to open it in the appropriate LibreOffice application, whether it's Writer, Calc, Impress, or another tool within the suite. With your document open, focus your attention on the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll find a menu option labeled File at the top left corner. This is your gateway to exporting the document. Click on File to open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Export As. Click on this to reveal your export choices. LibreOffice provides you with several formats to choose from, including PDF, which is a popular format for sharing documents because it preserves the layout and formatting across different devices and platforms. If you need a format other than PDF, such as a different document or image format, you can select it here as well. After selecting Export As, you will be prompted to choose the location where you want to save your exported file. You can select a folder on your computer or an external drive, and you can also rename the file if needed. Be sure to choose a location that is easy to remember so you can easily find the file later. Once you've chosen the location and confirmed the file name, click Save or Export to complete the process. Your file will now be exported in the format you selected and saved to the location you specified. It's that simple. Now you know how to export a file in LibreOffice, which is a crucial skill for sharing your work with others. Exporting ensures that your document retains its formatting and can be opened on virtually any device. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try exporting a few different documents to get comfortable with the steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides on using LibreOffice and other productivity tools. See you next time.